guys, what's up? This is Sinan from Sinan's Beys, and today we're going to create this one, guys, and it is Choosy Achilles. And thank you so much, guys, for the great support in Choosy Valkyrie. So definitely in this video I'm going to create Choosy Achilles, and very sorry for the delay, guys. I was a little bit sick because it's winter time, so was having a little bit cold. Okay, here we go. Let's just quickly take a bottle cap. Yeah, and it's definitely need to be red. And yeah, I really have a lot of red color bottle caps, so let's just quickly take one. No, not this one, not this one. Okay, no. Okay, here we go, fully clean and fresh. Okay, here we go, here we have the pockets. Okay, now let's see how much glue stick we actually need to make the layer part. You know, the design, which is the most hardest and the most important part of the Beyblade, to make it as much similar like the original one. Okay, this much need to cut from here, and here we go. Okay, cut into half. As you all know, guys, Choosy Achilles actually has two blades, two contact points mainly actually. Yeah, four contact points actually, but it has actually two main big contact points, so I'm going to use two glue sticks, as you can see here. Okay, here we go. Now let's just really stick it. Okay guys, now it's time to make the design. I don't know where to start, but let's just quickly start. Okay, here we go. Yeah guys, I'm still going on. I have no idea. I'm trying to make the blade. As you can see, I'm actually trying to make this blade part. Okay, let's just quickly continue. I have no idea, guys, but it's taking hours, guys. The design of Choosy Achilles is not so easy, guys. It's very complicated. It has so many shapes around the layer blade. Guys, really, I'm really struggling here. It's taking almost an hour to design this Beyblade, and I am almost finished, as you can see. And very sorry I couldn't show you the full process because, guys, it's taking so much time. I couldn't focus in my phone. I have no idea, but it's taking a lot of time, guys. I don't know how it's looking. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, but it's looking pretty much like Z Achilles in my opinion. I have no idea. Here's the real one. Man, I'm confused, guys. I don't know it's actually looking like Choosy Achilles or not, but it's actually looking pretty much like Z Achilles in my opinion. You can clearly see the four contact points. I tried to keep similarities as much as I can, but I hope after coloring it will look pretty much similar like this one. Okay, I hope so. Okay guys, here we go. Here we have our new Achilles, Choosy Achilles template, guys. Okay, now it's time to add some colors to make it look actually accurate. Okay, now let's add some colors. Okay, here we go. I know, guys, the template is not looking that great. As you can see, I did a small mistake here, and I'm very sorry for that. Anyway, still it's looking like Achilles in my opinion. Just adding a little bit of super glue to turn the paper to solid paper, you know. Okay guys, now for the performance tip, I mean the driver. Okay, yeah, this one will be perfect. Yeah guys, it's almost similar like the dimension driver. So okay, let's just quickly make it and stick it on the Beyblade, and I make a Okay guys, here we have the driver part. Yeah, pretty much similar to dimension driver. We'll just really stick it on the Beyblade and complete our bay, and finally we'll do the Okay, here you go guys, our Beyblade is fully done. Now it's time to do the coloring on the layer blade, as you can see. Okay guys, now let's just quickly add the colors on our Beyblade and complete the full Beyblade, guys. Okay, yeah guys, slowly our bay is actually looking pretty much similar to Achilles. I don't know guys, it is like an optical illusion for me because guys, before coloring the bay doesn't look that much similar to the original one, but after coloring it looks pretty much similar to like the original one, guys. I have no idea. Okay, let's just quickly complete the coloring. Unfortunately guys, I don't have permanent yellow color, so I'm using this one, and this is not actually permanent, but I hope still the color will still longer. I hope so. Okay guys, finally here we go. Here we have our new Choosy Achilles. Just look at that. I know not that much accurate guys, I tried my best because it's a dive version guys, it's not actually like the original version, but yeah, almost guys 50% accurate in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And yeah, let's just quickly do a spin test with our new Choosy Achilles mini plastic bay. And subscribe now if you haven't subscribed yet. If you're new, if you're watching this video, 3, 2, 1, go and go shoot. Now this is what I call a perfect launch. So shoot. Here you go guys, here we have our new Choosy Achilles, and yeah, the performance is pretty much accurate in my opinion. As a balance type bay, it's expected. Okay, and pretty much decent stamina and very stable guys, as you can see, and looking very similar while it's spinning. The blue, red and yellow popping so much. Like now guys, like now, and also please subscribe. It will be very worth it for me, so do it now. Okay, let's do some test battles. Okay, Choosy Achilles versus Choosy Valkyrie. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh shoot. Here we go, Choosy Valkyrie almost doing our finish. Yeah guys, Choosy Achilles looks pretty much bigger than Choosy Valkyrie. Oh, sick hits. Oh, easily won this one, and that's all for the day.
So just do it!